Hello, everyone.
Hey, we're gonna play Monaco.
We're playing Monaco now.
Ayo.
Because we're cool, I guess you could say.
We're not, but we like to play Monaco.
Yeah. It's a good game, I guess.
I get monkey, and you get nunky.
Alright, you want to be the lookout? Alright.
They ship you guys off tomorrow.
You're also the pickpocket.
We, to be deported, and they will throw Hector in a zoo.
Relax, Chief. I can get us out of here.
The psychopath is coming too. You better not make a sound.
Escape from prison while the storm lasts. Ready?
Here we go.
Starting mission in 0. That's not even a thing. Alright, so...
I can lockpick with the best of them.
What are these guys saying? Oh, okay. They changed the game.
Wait up for me.
No?
I got the monkey.
Just look out. Their mama dead. Life as a prison.
What?
You left before you could finish the sentence. A. Oh, okay. Wow. Monaco is so in depth. So
Here we go.
We got months. Money.
This is very confusing.
What?
Uh-oh.
Charles, you activated the alarm, you dang
Well, I'm gonna
idiot.
escape like a real Chad.
You didn't let me turn off the alarm.
Ooh.
I'm not gonna escape. Okay. I mean, it worked.
Yeah, we're on the pickpocket.
You're a little monkey man.
No, I'm not.
Break their line of sight.
Check this out.
Oh.
Blow!
Charles!
I'm
You
getting
even
all the money
pickpocketed
and you're
him.
getting nothing.
You
I'm
even
hot and you're
pickpocketed
not.
him. Look at all this money I just got then.
I have to lockpick the van?
Yeah.
Good luck, Brennan.
Thanks.
You got this. Maybe.
I did it.
Good job.
Hey! I'm pretty good. So, Charles, how do you feel about clocks?
Clocks?
Yeah, clocks.
In general, they only tell time. They're pretty okay.
Pretty
I
okay.
prefer sundials.
Do you really?
No.
No, it requires a sun.
No, stupid.
I don't even like the sun. We need passports.
Money.
Atmosphere.
Money. Women.
You guys remember the thick fella
Ooh.
from cell block B?
The one who dug the tunnel.
Mole!
New character.
Charles, you're not even close to the mic.
New character.
Yeah, apparently he's connected. Interpol is transferring him to Clerval by bus.
Nice.
If we can hijack that prison transport.
Oh, for the dots. Okay.
We should
you're
have
amazing.
all the friends we'll ever need. The mole is connected to the criminal underworld. Rescue him from the hijacked prison transport.
Let's
Ready?
do it, Brennan.
I'm
My monkey's gonna do all the work.
fancy. Oh. Don't take the coins yet. Dang it, Charles. Now we have no ammo. Stop taking the money. You don't have a gun.
I can't hear you. I'm chasing the bag.
Charles. Bow. Oh my god. I turned him into a
How do I
skelly.
shoot?
How do you think?
Maybe if you stopped being sassy, I could intuit it. Got him.
Ladders.
Gotta lockpick it.
What?
Gotta lockpick the ladder.
Yeah, you gotta get the ladder. Charles, you didn't even hit him right. You missed.
Can my monkey beat people up?
Huh?
Can my monkey beat people up?
I don't know what he does, to be honest. Charles, you're doing a good job.
Oh, I didn't see the... It's hard to see this.
Go! It says. Hello, friend. I'm now him.
Oh, you're the mole.
Yeah, I can break walls.
Nice.
Yeah. The mole can break through walls. It even says so. Money, 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 money. What's this guy gotta say? Sit.
Oh.
Oh.
No, that's
Fit
clever.
Man port.
He was saying a naughty word.
Shut up. Ah, it didn't work. What about Skyrim? You think we'll play Skyrim on this channel?
I mean,
You'll play, I imagine.
would you want that?
Or I can play since I don't know as much about it.
I'm just get
And you'll
mad at
just
you.
be backseat gaming the whole time, like, oh my god! You're supposed to pick Jessica!
There is no one in Skyrim named Jessica, I promise you.
Yes, there is. I know her. I'll be the mole. Dirty criminals rescued mole. Mole is grateful.
Hodor. No time to talk. Gotta find passports. Get out of Dodge.
Embassies have passports.
Cool trivia, dude.
Embassies in Monaco. Lebanese is least secure.
You have intel on this place?
No, Mole has done this before. Steal passports from the Lebanese embassy so that you can escape the country. Ready?
Continue.
Grab a smoke bomb.
I'm gonna get to mine first.
Okay. I don't really care that much.
Haha.
Haha.
Bam.
I'm doing a little dance.
Where am I
We are
going?
not playing this game right.
Maybe you aren't.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's both of us.
My monkey's cool. He can go past the tripwires. Okay, so it's library work.
No, we're turning off these guys.
Wait, is there like a puzzle to it?
No, I don't think so. I think you just turn them off.
Oh.
Some more computer here that we didn't get. Oh shoot.
I
Oh
think
wait,
there
they
is a
turned back
puzzle.
on. So that's not good. Okay, so we need to go this way, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
Didn't even see that.
Charles, how do you feel about main offices?
Main offices? I mean, they're pretty important if you're a nerd.
Dude, how can you even say something like that? Think about all the main office employees that are watching this video right now.
Dude, I'm gonna go into the ambassador's office and beat you. Check this out. I can lockpick lasers.
I'm poking them.
Nice.
Oh no! Ladder. Ouchie!
Going up the ladder? Cause you're stupid. Oh no, where are we going?
We need to go this way. Stop it! Ouchie!
Where are we going? Oh.
This is bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
We need a trophy. We never
I
got
have it.
Oh, you
I
have
took
it?
Yeah.
Oh, you had said that earlier before I got beat up.
Did you not see me grab it, you clod?
No, I did not see you grab it. And don't call me that ever again. I will destroy you. Okay, so we gotta turn off. Oh, or we can go that way.
Yeah. We can just leave.
Grab a smoke bomb.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Nice.
Thank you. This game's easy.
Okay.